Oops, owner of Quality Water Treatment, also known as Crave the Water Guy. Hope you guys are doing good today. The topic for today is why should I purchase a Fleck water softener off of Amazon? And our experience with this question is that we get an average of 4 to 10 calls per day from people that have purchased a Fleck water softener off of Amazon. And these are not our customers. So, they purchased off of Amazon through a company that is selling the Fleck water softeners off of, through Amazon channels. And the main questions that we get is that I'm having issues with the softener, it's not working, or I just have some technical questions about the water softener. I want to be able to get it programmed right, stuff like that. And I have not been able to get a hold of the company I purchased it from through Amazon. It's been a week or two now, and I'm not getting a response, so I'm getting extremely frustrated. And I understand, the frustration level can get pretty high, especially when you spent that kind of money on a piece of equipment and you cannot get any help. So my advice is to not purchase a Fleck water softener off of Amazon. I mean, there's a lot of great things to buy off of Amazon. I use Amazon all the time, purchasing different items. But I would never purchase any high-end equipment that has a mechanical functionality to it, such as a water softener. I would only purchase a water softener from a company that has been in business for a long time, that actually services what they sell. And so, if you're going to purchase a Fleck water softener, come to us, come to qualitywatertreatment.com and purchase it from us. We may be a little bit more expensive than you're going to find on Amazon for the same Fleck water softener, but you're going to get, the technical support that you need over the lifetime that you own the system. And of course, that comes with a price, right? And that's the reason why our prices are a little bit higher, because when you purchase a Fleck water softener from us, you're not just purchasing a product, you're purchasing a service from a company that's been around since 1990. And that'll eliminate the issues that you could have if you purchase a Fleck water softener from Amazon. So you can visit our website at qualitywatertreatment.com. And if you have any questions, please give us a call at 866-278-4130, or use the live messaging on our website, or shoot us an email. Thank you very much and have a great day.